you think this is okay? Maybe I should have got some fancier nibbles.
Relax, darling. It looks lovely. I'm sure our new neighbours will be very impressed. Oh, who's that? Oh, look, it's Cholera from number 43.
Oh, Cholera, hi, I'm Emma.
Delighted. Oh, I got you a little present.
Oh, how lovely, thank you.
Thanks, mate.
What is it?
Symptoms of cholera. It's the kind of poisoning you get from contaminated water. You get watery diarrhea, vomiting, and you'll get so dehydrated, your skin goes like a kind of bluish grey. Oh, just like that.
Oh, how thoughtful. I'll get that. Hi, come in.
No, I'm all right.
Darling, this is rabies.
Oh, hi, how's it going? Hey, oh, Struth!
Oh, just a little housewarming present for you there. Inflammation of the brain, violent movements, fear of water, just a little inability to move parts of the body and uncontrolled excitement, so...
Oh, I'm fantastically ill right now. Wow. Oh, I wonder who that could be at the door. Oh, yes, darling, look, it's yellow fever. Oh, yeah.
Little gift.
Oh, she's brought us a box of mosquitoes. Oh.
They bring fever and vomiting.
Yeah, I already brought them those.
Oh, well, did I mention that it's black vomit, where the bleeding from the ears and nose, and it turns you yellow?
Oh, that's original.
Often accompanied by death.
Oh, I brought them, Death.
Just gonna go and have a little lie down.
Worst dinner party ever.
That was very rude. Very rude.
And these nibbles aren't very fancy. That's when good neighbours do not become good friends.
Yes, there's all sorts of horrible ways you might die. You sure you don't want to take the day off?
Prepare yourself for an insane look at what they don't tell you in the science books. From inner space to the universe, we're on a case to face the worst. It's icky and it's whiffy and it's yucky and it's squishy, but we love it.